We have new information tonight surrounding the homicide of a 15-month-old. A Cincinnati detective says the boy died of trauma to the head. 9 on Your Side's Ashley Zilka joins us now and explains why investigators believe 2 people actually know what happened. Ashley.
Kristen Elijah Obrecht Jr. died in July of 2017. In November, we sat down exclusively with his mother, and she said why she's innocent of any wrongdoing. Now, a few hours ago, I spoke with a Cincinnati detective who gave his side of the story.
It's been almost a year and no one has been charged for the death of 15-month-old Elijah Obrecht Jr.
We don't go out to torture families who have lost a child. That's not what we do.
Detective Eric Corregulith says something about this case was off from the start. Last year, Elijah's mother, Faith Pfeiffer, sat down only with 9 on Your Side.
He was my world. It wasn't a lie. It wasn't a cover-up. It wasn't anything. At the end of the day, that was my baby.
Pfeiffer said on the 4th of July, she and her son went over to her boyfriend, Keith Tabron's house to spend the night. Elijah slept on the floor. Pfeiffer says when they woke up, he was not breathing and blue.
There has to be some previous to that. There would have to be something that would cause the trauma to the head that was there.
This Thursday, Detective Corregulith was in court for Tabron's arraignment. He was charged for having guns in his home at the time of Elijah's death.
I believe that the motivation for asking for a high bond is to try to exert pressure on Keith to speak again for a 3rd time now in an investigation that is, frankly, unrelated to the 2 charges that you have before you.
It's legal to have firearms, but Keith has a prior contact with law enforcement that would prohibit him from having those.
The detective says the medical evidence is there. Elijah's death was not caused from a fall or accident.
It's a matter of determining who and when.
Pfeiffer's attorney says Faith has spoken to investigators 3 separate times without counsel and denies any wrongdoing or involvement in her son's death. Now, if you have any information about this case, call Crime Stoppers. Kristen?